Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Chanel versus Saint Laurent. We are doing a big battle today, you guys. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela and I'm so happy that you're here. If you love anything fashion or luxury, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here, and if you do so, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Now let's get comfortable, grab yourself a snack, a drink, and let's jump right into the video. First things first, we need to talk about the most iconic Chanel bag in history, and of course I'm talking about the Chanel Classic Flap. She is legendary, she is iconic. This bag is the bag that will never go out of style. Now I'm just gonna dive right in, you guys. I have my iPad in front of me and the classic handbag by Chanel. This is the medium size, retails for $8,800. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. I remember when this bag was around $4,000, and that was only like, I think a couple years ago, which is insane. Like, their prices keep increasing and it is just too much if you ask me, especially because we know that the quality of Chanel hasn't necessarily been improving. It's just the price that has been increasing, but unfortunately not the quality. Now let's compare this to the Saint Laurent version. When I say Saint Laurent version, I'm not saying that this is Saint Laurent's take on the Classic Flap. This bag that I'm gonna talk about deserves its own spotlight, and I'm talking about the Loulou small chain bag. Now, like I said, this is a beauty on its own. It is also a very iconic YSL design. I love that it has the Y quilting on the bag. And why do I say this is a similar bag? Like the Chanel Classic Flap, this is also a flap bag. And it has a chain as well. Now let's talk pricing. The Loulou Small by YSL retails for $2,950. I think this is an amazing price for the bag that you get. We are talking about a $5,000+ difference here, you guys, for the same kind of style. Now, of course, there's pros and cons. If you look at the Chanel Classic Flap, it will have great resale value. In a couple of years, in a couple of decades, you can probably sell it for, I don't know how many times more than what you paid for it. But let's not get it twisted, you guys. The Small Loulou by Saint Laurent is a beautiful bag as well. And it does have price increases as well. And if you don't really care about resale value and you're just wanting to use the bag for yourself and maybe pass it down to your daughter or to your granddaughter, I would definitely pick the Loulou over the Classic Flap. Moving on to comparing the next two handbags, and I will start with Chanel again, and we're talking about the Chanel 19 handbag. This is in the small size and it retails for $5,700. Now, because of the puffiness of this bag, it might look like a little bit more of a trendy bag, and definitely we've seen a lot of puffy style bags in the last, I would say, 2 years. Now let's compare it with the YSL bag, and it's called the Puffer small chain bag in quilted lambskin. And this handbag retails for $3,200. Now, one thing I do like about the Chanel 19 is that the chain design makes it so that you have a little top handle, and with the YSL one, you can't do that. It doesn't have a top handle and it's just a shoulder bag or a crossbody. I also do have to admit that I like the quilting on the Chanel 19 a little bit more than the YSL one, just because it doesn't have that Y shape. So definitely points for the Chanel 19 on this bag, but there is about a $2,000 difference between these two bags. So if you just want a puffy kind of looking bag without splurging on the Chanel 19, then I would probably recommend the Puffer Small by YSL. Now moving on to mini bags, I want to talk about wallet on chains. And I will start with the wallet on chain by Chanel. On the website, this retails for $3,925, and it is a beautiful, beautiful design. Now, this is in a lambskin with gold tone metal, and it is of course a classic black color, and it just really screams sophisticated, classy, elegant. But of course, YSL also has their wallets on chain. And the one from YSL is called the Sunset chain wallet in smooth leather. And on the website, it retails for $2,090. And both chain wallets are very, very similar. So they both have a top handle and a chain strap. Now let's talk about the big elephant in the room, and the price tags are no joke. The Chanel wallet on chain is double the price of the Sunset chain wallet from YSL. So I would definitely pick the YSL wallet on chain in this case. It is also a little bit bigger, so if you just want to wear it as a little date night bag, you totally could. So I think it's an easy choice here, and definitely this round goes to Saint Laurent. So that is the Chanel versus YSL battle. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you guys would love to see more of these type of videos. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for my next videos. If you stayed till the end, thank you so much. You're a real one. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.